Good evening and Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is me Pooja Taniwari from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today again I am here with you in front of you to give a review on TED Talk Why Massive Open Online Courses Still Matter by Anant Agarwal. First of all, I would like to give a short intro of Anant Agarwal. Anant Agarwal is the founder and CEO of ADX, one of the world's largest online learning platform. He is also a professor and a strong advocate for making quality education available to everyone throughout the world via technology. In this TEDx, Anant Agarwal talks about MOOCs, that stands for Massive Open Online Course, and how they are changing education around the world. First of all, let me tell you what is MOOCs. MOOCs are online courses that anyone can join from anywhere at a very longer distance. No matter he can join from while sitting at the home, he can join remotely, virtually he can connect. So the main purpose of it to connect people virtually. It may be often for free or it may be at a very low cost. He explained that millions of people around the world do not have access to high quality education because of financial, because of geographical, because of their background, and because of their social barriers. Online learning platforms also help to solve this problem by making educational content available to anyone, and anyone can watch it via internet. So one of the main point of this talk is that online learning can reach a much large audience than traditional classroom. No doubt it is 100% correct and real that if we get online education, if we connect, then there may be a possibility of larger audience rather than traditional, because traditional institute, the students will come from the specific region, they cannot come from longer distance. But if we are connected online, so people from anywhere can come and there is a more chance of larger audience. So a single course can be taken by thousands of students from different countries at the same time. If we take an example of Riyan School, so here people from different countries are connected to Riyan School. So the main reason is that we can connect to Riyan School virtually. So it is a live proof that there may be larger audience in online than traditional classroom. This also allow people to learn from top universities and expect expert instructors without learning their homes. In my opinion, this TEDx is very informative. It acknowledges us, it gives us importance about the online education. It showed that how technology can help solve educational challenges and provide learning opportunities to people everywhere and anywhere and anytime. I especially like the idea from this TED Talk that anyone can access the quality education regardless of where they live. If we conclude this TEDx, it highlights the importance of online education online learning, and the role of MOOCs in expanding access to education. His message in this TEDx reminds us that technology has the power to make learning more inclusive, more flexible, and available to everywhere at any time. As we know that education continues to evolve, online learning will play an increasingly important role in shaping in the future. Thank you so much for watching.